There's a reason you felt drawn to this message. Your intuition and your guides have led you here. Ready for the message meant only for you? Welcome to Mystic Enchantress 1111.
Hello, beautiful souls of air signs. Let's look into your December love reading, air signs. What does spirits want you to know about your romantic path? Whether you are a sun, moon, rising, or Venus, if your intuition brought you here, there's something meant for you in this reading. I already pre-shuffled the cards. We'll pull out the cards and see how it goes. For air signs, your current romantic energy, the Fool, and what spirits want you to release, Strength, and what spirits want you to embrace, Ace of Pentacles, and what's coming towards you in love, King of Swords, and the direction of your romantic path, Hierophant. And we'll also pull out the overall theme for the month of December, air signs. Look inside yourself. Examine what is causing you to feel this way. Okay. The overall theme is look inside yourself, examine what is causing you to feel this way. So you have to introspect yourself and examine why you are having this kind of feeling right now. So your current romantic energy, air signs, is Fool. So you are feeling childish, or you act as your behavior is like a child, or you act maybe you are very moody, or you have lot of mood swings right now in your romantic life. But don't worry, you have support from your family, friends and well-wishers, and you are walking towards the success, and I can see happiness, and you are also blessed divinely because you have a potential to be a best partner. But sometimes we all have mood swings, and you are going through that romantic energy phase that you have lot of mood swings, or you are moody in some situations, and also you behave like a child. And what spirits want you to release is, you need to release if you have any fears. If at all, if you have any fears regarding your love life or the romantic life, because of which you are being moody nowadays, or because of which you have lot of mood swings, you have to release that fear and embrace or gain back your strength and courage in order to attract the success. Because I can see you have a partner who is very loyal and honest, and you are blessed with growth and success in your love life. So whatever doubts or negativity you have, just you have to release them and embrace your strength and courage. And what spirits want you to embrace. Here, as I said, you need to release your fears, and what you have to embrace is whatever opportunity coming your way. That means between you and your partner, if you have any opportunity where you can make your love life successful, where you can see growth, success and blessings, you have to adapt that way or that path to embrace your love life. So don't ignore any opportunities or any choices coming your way which will make your love life stable, where you can see growth and success ahead. So this is the thing what you have to embrace in the month of December. And what's coming towards you in love. So what is coming further in month of December towards you? So you will get some mental clarity. If you have any, as I said in the beginning of the month or in the current energy, you have some issues or negativity or some doubts because of which you are having lot of mood swings, and for all the issues or negativity what you are carrying in your head, for that you will get the mental clarity. So this is coming in your love in the month of December. You will get the mental clarity and you will feel stable, and you'll stable and you'll feel compassionate in your relationship. Though there might be some obstacles, but don't worry, hope will be restored and you will feel confident enough, and I can see the growth and blessings. And you have the knowledge to get this mental clarity. And the direction of your romantic path is blessed. The direction of your romantic path is blessed because whatever problems you have, you will always find a solution, and you both complement each other, and you both have the knowledge, and you always get the advice from elderly person which will stabilize your relationship. And that person is very honest, and that person can be very spiritually inclined, and he or she may be healer, which will always give you advice with full knowledge, and you people or you both of them will get the solution of all issues in your life. So the overall theme says that you have to look inside yourself. So whatever it is, in this busy world, we may get lost sometimes, and we may develop some negativity in our lives, and because of which we may have unnecessary mood swings. So you have to introspect yourself, and you have to leave unnecessary doubts or unnecessary things, and regain your strength and courage. And both of you should never ignore the opportunities or choices coming your way, which will make your love life, which will give your love life growth and success. And eventually you'll get the mental clarity when you introspect yourself and see what can be done in some situations where you feel you're stuck or there are many obstacles. So end of the day, you'll get the mental clarity. So don't worry about that, and you have a backup. As I said, initially when you in your current energy, you always have support from family, friends and well-wishers, and this person can be anyone from your family, friends or well-wishers who is very loyal, and they always help others, and because of which you will get the mental clarity and your love life will be stable, and you will find solution for all your problems. Hope this resonates, air signs. Comment me below if it resonates. If this reading resonates, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, stay blessed and trust your intuition.